Good morning, guys. I'm sorry for the delay, but I had to restart my laptop 3 times because my camera was not connecting. So we're here. I'm gonna move a little bit of a mess here. You don't see the mess. It's my room right now, and let's do it. First, I'm loading Quant so give me a second. Now it's connecting. Let's trade again. Alpine Trader funding accounts. And with 16 funded accounts. So right now I'm gonna select these. I have my same accounts with the same balance with that I had yesterday. Nothing changes. So that's the most important things. Right now it's connecting. Let's give it a little bit of time. Oh, I dropped time frames. Ooh, connection not the best, huh? Hopefully it can handle it. Right now. Okay, 0.51%. Ooh, I'm dropping a lot of frames. Hopefully it's gonna be fine. It's coming back. Okay, not the best internet for the live stream. Hello guys. Hello Sabino. Welcome back. Hello Siddharth. Habibi. Are you playing games, bro? Before trading, which game, bro? Let us join you. No, I'm not playing games. I just woke up and I was like trying to figure out where the heck was everything because it was in different backpacks and I had to set it up and totally delayed. Hello Tomato, what's up? Welcome back, Valknut. I'm currently playing League of Legends, waiting for the first 15 minutes countdown to close. Yeah, that's a way. Honestly, that's a way to do it. Huh? You distract yourself a little bit. I need to check if my connection can be improved a little bit here. Don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. I'm gonna check with my other phone if I can connect a different Wi-Fi. And maybe hello. How is the live stream, guys? Does it have problems? I'm going to see if I can connect somewhere else. Okay. For me, it's good. All good, smooth. Okay, you know, guys, I'm gonna keep it like that. Unfortunately, I don't have any other Wi-Fi connection. It's a bit annoying, but it's gonna be for today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Hope. Good morning, Matt. Welcome back. Good morning, guys. Let's first do. I have to open a whale chart to check the direction of the market. How is our chart? Let me see first here with you. What is the market? First, I have to put the daily opening. That is this one. Then I have to put the daily chart. Ooh, okay. Already grabbed the lows. We already grabbed the lows yesterday there. That's very interesting. We already took the lows during the pre-market session. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. And we're gonna grab these ones lower. That is our 50 minutes range. Come on, connect that. Okay. I'm gonna remove this one. And I'm gonna move to 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart has a resistance, a little bit of resistance there. But if we break it, we don't have much. We don't have much. So right now is trying to fight this area. But we already took the lows. The lows of yesterday are this candle here. Then we open the market. Yes, we come back after market. We come back lower. Asian, we come back. London, we come back. So lows have been taken fully. So longs are the way. I mean, short has been taken fully. Longs are the way. I love that. I love to see that. Stocks little bit left and right. Some went down, some are going up, but Tesla is going up again. Tesla has been beaten up heavily in the last period because of the situation with Trump and Elon. It was a good buy there at $275 where it dipped. Very volatile Tesla in these days. It reminds me the good old days when I made $10,000 trading options, and it was mostly coming from Tesla because I was scalping that shit out of it. I was just buying, and that things was like I was buying. That's the beauty one. That when I was trading Tesla options, I was buying. If it was going against me for a little bit, I was out. But if it was going on my favor, just letting it little bit of run, a little bit more was like hundreds of dollars. The Tesla options was flying. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Andy Roshinko, Basie Hedden. Welcome back, everybody. We're gonna have a longer live today, so we are here for a little bit more. So we don't rush. We don't rush anything. What I said is that I really like the upside because right now we're back making higher high, higher low in the 1 hour chart. This is the first higher high in the last from yesterday, from maybe 2 days ago, from yesterday. So the moment we're back pushing here, is gonna give us a nice long opportunity. Now we give it the time to push a little bit. Freaking! No, I forgot to check your things. I will be honest. I went to sleep. I got here in New York yesterday at 1 a.m. Let's see. Let's see what is your video there. Is it a virus? Is it a virus, your video? Oh my god, how big is your video? Oh, wait. Is it blocking my live downloading these things? No, it should be fine. It's only download, it's not upload. Trying to download your things. Oh my god, how much? Oh, okay. Internet sucks. Internet sucks, guys. It's really suffering to just do a simple 10 megabyte video. Oh my god. Yes, I tested it. Yes, I tested it. I tested it and it was okay. I'm traveling, trading, but as well working. I'm honest. No, now I'm not working because I'm in holiday, but mostly I'm a digital nomad as well. I'm honest. I'm not gonna tell you that I only trade. I wish I only trade. I wish with my heart, but a job is needed. A job is more. Is 99% of us need a job or something to run at the same time. It can be a part-time job, but it gives you such a freedom of mind when you trade that your performance in trading are much better and you don't even realize it. But if you have only trading and you're trying to make it only trading, you can make it happen. You can make it happen. I don't want to say that you cannot, but it's much harder. So I would say you choose the easier path for the beginning is better. So let's see what video sent me there. How many contracts you bought? 5. 1 to 1. That's very interesting. You fill in one. 100 feet, another stop loss. Very, very interesting. It did definitely create it separated. Let's see. If it did it again. Okay. But I think it's normal. I think it's normal, my friend Siddharth. What you have to do, Siddharth, is go to Rithmic, trading history, click on the market order where you got filled. The market order got filled that created you then the take profit. Check that market order and check where you got filled. Because if you put a market order, if you do a market order of 10 contracts, let's say an example, you do a market order in 10 contracts at 1900. I should have then showed you. No, yeah, it's right. 1900. And then you tell Quant Tower, look, put me a stop loss, 50 ticks from it, and 50 ticks our take profit distance. What happens is that a market order will fill you at that one, at that price, or worse, because it's a market order. It tries to fill you right away. So if it in 5 contracts finds 4 contracts at the price you wanted, and the remaining contract 1 tick lower, then it's gonna happen that it's gonna make you different orders, and that's normal. So Quant Tower, the fact is that because you put a 150, 100 ticks, it will make you a different type of stop loss. That's go to trading history, orders, click on the orders details, look at at which price you got filled, and you will see in Rithmic, you will see 4 contracts will fill at this price, 1 contract was filled at this price, and that will give you the reason behind. Oh my God. Well, I don't need a lot of income, so I guess I can make it. Yes. You don't need a lot of income. Yes. Super important. That's what I believed. I believed years ago that to travel and live a life of a traveler, you needed so much money. Bullshit. You don't need any of that shit. I met a guy in Paraguay, guys. He was spending almost nothing, like living in a good hostels, a good life. He had even his private room, whatever he wanted. Enjoying Latin America. He left his job 10 years ago, and what he was doing, he came from a financial world in USA, and he burned out. He didn't like that shit, and then he said he does fundamental trading. So he does swing on a long-term swing on a 8-10 months 1 year base, and he buys and he makes maybe 30-40k a year, and he travels with that. It's been 10 years, guys. This guy has been traveling, and he came from the financial world. Imagine someone coming from the financial world and be like, man, I don't need that. I don't need that shit to live. I'm traveling. I want to travel. And this guy has been traveling. And he's been there. He's having his life. I'm not gonna disconnect. You see that now, guys? Connecting to the power. Okay. Siddharth, I can say that exactly what is happening. You're saying right. Yeah. Then what I will tell you, Siddharth, is to use more limit orders if you want to have that, or I don't know if the bracket order. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, to be honest. I have to check. Because I'm not sure about that. Even if you get filled different price in a certain stop loss, I'm not sure. Or you do what I do. Or you do what I do. What I do, this one. If you do like I do. Let's go to my evaluations. Let's do it together. Here. So evaluation is, I don't remember which evaluation, guys. I think I had an evaluation. Which evaluation I used yesterday? I have only one. Evaluation. Okay, one. Okay. Look at this, Siddharth. 168. And I go. You see, I go 10 macros. Okay. Let me first check it that it's not copy traded. I take 10 macros. This is a beautiful candle. Wait, I'm looking into it. This is a beautiful candle for a push. And this is even the 50 minutes range. So Siddharth, like this. Look, if I do like you do, and I put 100, and I put 100, I have 10 contracts. It's gonna do that because 10 contract has to. Let's make it even 20. So you're gonna see because it's a high liquidity right moment. You see, it did 4 10 6 6 10 4 because it's a market order. It fills some here. It's still from one tick lower, one tick lower, one tick lower. Instead, you can do this. Close position. Oh my god. Oh. There were not OCO orders. Okay. If not, I can do this. No stop loss. No take profit. I enter and I drag my stop loss, drag my limit, OC order with, yes, I link it, and that's it. Or you can do this. That's a beautiful things of Quant Tower. And then you have fixed the problem. Close position. Because I closed it not using the connection. Okay, now it makes sense. I should have done flatten. Now let me see that things. If I do this, I do this, I do this. Let's see orders. Flatten. Yeah. Then I do one here. Then I go back to my account. Andy, first trade day for me this week feels good. You know, sometimes it does really feel good. It does feel good sometimes to have a red day, and then especially when a red day is like a good red day, then you're like, oh, I needed it. It was necessary. 50 minutes range is over there, guys. I don't know if you took the break of the highs, Abdel or Jose there. How's going your trading, guys, there? How is your trading going? How is your trading going? Yeah, necessary slap, right? I do understand you. I do understand you. The necessary slap. For now, it's not good. 10 points were not there. 81. Yeah, I see. I'm looking right now. I'm looking to wait. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm looking to wait. What the heck is this YouTube going here? Welcome the new people. Welcome to the old people. Welcome to the people that have been here forever, guys. We live stream every day at 9:30. Tomorrow, no. We're gonna live stream tomorrow earlier because it's a full day for me. So we're gonna live stream tomorrow, guys, at 8:30. Do we have news tomorrow at 8:30? It will be interesting to check what is gonna happen. And what is we have news today? I didn't check even. PPI this morning, Friday consumer sentiment 10 a.m. So tomorrow, guys, we're gonna live stream at 8:30 up to 9:30. So 1 hour in advance, just to let you know. And you're gonna join me here at 9:30. I'm gonna say goodbye to you. And say goodbye for the weekend. By the way, let me share with you my TradeZilla situation. Come to London session tomorrow. I mean, London session is too early, brother. What the heck? London session. I can come like 1 hour before New York session. It's still volatile. Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, I have to upload 2 days data. That's some beautiful candles here, but I'm gonna wait for lead. It's kind of showing nice buyers. It's holding this 50 minutes range. Wait. Yeah, it's correct. I'm loading right now my data in TradeZella. I'm typing the email now. What the hell? I guess I sent it to everyone. Which email? Apex email? What email? I don't see which conversation you're speaking about email. Trying to understand. Yes. It's about showing your strategy. Show your strategy. Explain your strategy. Okay. All right. 4 people left. Right. Oh my God. Yes. Ah, you're good. You're good, Mufti. You're gonna be good. You have a strategy. You have risk management there. Risk management. You will be good. Epix is moving to live a lot, guys. A lot. You will see it. You will see it soon. You will see it soon. A lot of people will start to get to live very soon. It's gonna be a big things. I mean, as it was explained in the John's video and Martin Darrell video in their interview on YouTube. Look, for me, if I get to live, I don't get to live, that not really, it doesn't matter really that much. For me, it's more like I want to go back to payouts and increase my payouts. Let's see here. Okay, why sometimes in these things it goes back to so here we see for the moment, you see the hour chart that is still red, 30 minutes is still red. They're gonna turn back to green very soon. So that's why I was waiting to take a long. It's just because we are still red on these 2 charts here on the left side. So that was my factor there for not taking the long for the moment. Dashboard. You know how I show everything, guys. It's been a really difficult month. Last month, up and down, short, back green, come back. Look, I had not an easy period where I was losing, making a little bit losing, and then I had now 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive green days of trading back with the 5-minute chart and not taking many trades anymore. So very nicely we are coming back. Oh, it's not that. So it's finally it's a good things here. We are finding some direction. How many? Look at my red days before. Look at the difference of my red days before and my red days here. Cut almost less than around half of them sides. So that's good. And green days, only things is that I could have pushed my green days in these days. I could have done much more. But overall, I was trying to cut my red days. That was my focus in the last period because I was getting too much, two reds, and this was destroying my profits of my green days. So hopefully we're gonna get it back soon, guys. But it's okay. This is very good. Overall $54. But if I put a range, if I put this month as a range, we're up $499. That's good. Let's see last month how much we closed. $307 we lost. That's not even that bad. We had quite a few green days, many red days. So I'm trying to protect myself from these red days. Decreasing the red days will be a huge factor for my profitability next month. So that's why, you guys, I was focused on moving to 5-minute chart. Do the suddenly power cut my PC shut down automatically and Rithmic Pro application? Now I'm trying to log in. It's asking for contact admin. Any idea what happened? To suddenly power cut my PC shut down automatically ends Rithmic Pro application now. I'm trying to log in. It asks me for contact admin. Contact administrator. You are definitely have to contact support, but I don't know what's the reason why that happened. I don't know, but that's a very good explanation. That's a very good explanation. Contact support. Let me see. They will reply to you, I think, in like 10 minutes. Oh, I have to be sure that. Yeah. Contact support. Tell them that you're not able to log in Trader Pro. Show the screenshot of the error. That's what you have to do. And they will reply to you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Make it 15 minutes because they have to check on that, and it's resolved. Literally 10-15 minutes. What are we doing, guys, here from the market's perspective? Look at that. What are we gonna do, guys? Please speak with me. I'm getting bored here. Can we do something here? I wanna be long only for back above the 50 minutes range, and that's what I wanna be long for. These days, guys, we're getting destroyed inside the 50 minutes range. And look at yesterday. Yesterday price action was somewhere here. No, yesterday no. Yesterday price action was good because we took it came out, it opened, came down, grabbed some liquidity, came pushed above. Not enough, by the way. Oh, that's very happy. Very happy. I was not stubborn to get until the highs. I got my profit to the run, and call it myself. It grabbed the liquidity, pushed a little bit more, and came down. Then yes, the day before was the shit show. Look at this. It opened and stayed there for a long time. It opened at 9.5. It stayed there until 11:20. So it's almost 2 hours of inside the 15 minutes range. Come grab the lower, come back above, and then continue to the one direction. So yeah, I'm trying to just to be careful of being like looking for one good trade. Allora, guys, what are we doing here today? Such a boring situation. If the price breaks the 15 minutes opening range, how do you make your entry? Do wait for a test? Good question. I think it depends. What I'm trying to use in this period as an entry confirmation, a nice weak candle, like for example this one, that has more than 50%, more than 50% of the body has to be a wick. So if the candle is like this part has to be 50%, at least around 50% or more. Oh, what the heck? I put $. So that's what I try to do. If, for example, right now we come back and let's say we make a beautiful, we push above and then we make a beautiful candle here that has a beautiful wick, and I see that the direction is long, then probably that could be my entry with my stop loss below, the break above, and then I will just look for continuation higher. That will be my entry. So how this candle comes out, I will decide then, okay, I like it can be a good retest, it can be a continuation. For the moment, not that much, but because we're definitely still weak on this situation, and it sucks. How is price action these days, guys? How is price action? How are you doing, guys? Just let me know, please. Tell me how is it going. Are you? Let's say one question. I want to ask one question. Are you satisfied with your trading and your improvements now for the last 6 months? Took long at 8:30. Oh, thank you for that. 10:30. Wow, what the heck? You took it from here. Good job. Done for the day. Good job, man. Your patience and the consistency there is really showing it, Mufti. And I can see you're improved a lot. Making that $50, $80, $100, whatever it is a day, and you have multiple accounts, that's what you need. Nail on one trade and be done. That's I think the mistakes I was doing before, trying to get 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I'm like, oh, you get one and done, and you avoid the red. Wow. Hello, Scratch. Welcome. Thank you for coming, and thank you for being here, spending time. Need to get better at execution, bro. That's my focus right now as well. Let's like yesterday. I got stopped out there in break even. A bit annoying, but I'm happy that I entered long and I took profit over during the run. I was risking these $64 and I closed the one contract at $90. So one more than one, almost 1 to 5 risk reward there. Close this one at. This one was not really a good close, but was on the opening bid level. These were okay close, so I have to be careful because I guess I could have done much better than this. Yeah, yeah. I agree with that. I do agree with that. That right moment to enter is right now is the killer for my accounts. But we're getting somehow. Sometimes I'm happy that I'm not. Oh wow. Well, wow, guys, we're getting some push there. Something is happening. Something is happening around the world, and market loves it. The market loves it. Market loves it. Good luck, everyone. That's a beautiful break above the 15 minutes range. If you took the 15 minutes break, that was beautiful. 15 minutes break there. Scratch. What I'm waiting for. To be honest, right now I'm waiting for a push and then a nice candle that has a nice wick below. This is my confirmation. It can be on the retest of the 50 minutes range, or it can be even higher. Just it has to show that candle. So right now the hour chart. Let me see what is the hour chart here. The hour chart and the 30 minutes chart is turned green, so that's good. Let me show you. I'm speaking, maybe, but you don't see what I'm looking at. You don't see what I'm looking at. What about am I? Is it this one? Yes. So here we have the. Oh, what the heck? Why am I doing always the separate things? Okay, sorry guys, I'm just fixing a few things. Okay, so look at this 30-minute chart is back to green. So we are back on the green area on 30-minute chart, and as well 1 hour chart is pushing there nicely. So we're holding, and 1 hour seems it's gonna turn green very soon too. So I'm gonna look for these longs only. But the only things I want to look is a 5 freaking minutes candle here that pushes and makes a nice wick below. So what I want right now is a beautiful candle here that makes a vertical line. Okay, I cannot draw that things. Okay, can I draw anything? Drawing tools. Just want a line. Maybe they don't have it. Maybe I should let them know. There is no drawing, like normal drawing. Oh, here. Yeah, a nice wick here, and then I will enter at the break, stop loss at the low. That's just gonna be my idea. Jose is making bank. Jose is always there making bank, guys. Break-even days. Got the head out early today. See you, Rushinko. Thank you so much for coming here. Congratulations for yesterday winning the giveaway. I like your Italian gangster P. We're here, guys. We're here to destroy you. You have to make money. Trend line. Okay. Yeah, that's mostly it. So hopefully the explanation was good enough. So right now I'm gonna wait and see. I mean, this is usually I would even this one. I honestly probably would have even entered before here. Thanks God the 30 minutes. No, neither the 30 minutes nor the 1 hour were red. So both of them were red. So it was not a good time for me to enter. But now it's getting interesting. By the way, Jose changed his names every time. One times was Clips. Before was what were you before? Forgot the name. The left nut. The left nut. Good job. The left nut. Mr. Music in Discord as well. I should watch some of these episodes of the how it's called. I got it. My memory right now is not working. I have to go to the supermarket to buy a freaking toothpaste because it's finished, and I should go and cut my hair. It's a mess. Right now we're getting a nice push there. Hopefully the beautiful next candle here will be a nice wiki candle here. We'll be happy. New York is too expensive. Yeah, I shouldn't let my hair grow, huh? I should let my hair grow, huh? I mean, I'm going back to Europe in 2 days, so Saturday I'm back. Saturday I'm flying. Sunday night I'm back home. And I left my place last January 19, I think. January 18, guys. Insane. It's been 6 months I've been away from home. 6 months, guys. And I think this is the longest ever time I was away from home traveling. Because I went to Southeast Asia a few years ago, but it was 5 months. I didn't even realize it in this case because I've been, you're traveling, working in South America, and it was definitely did not feel it, but it's 6 months I've been away from home. It's good things to go back, spend time with family and friends, but of course, We'll be back traveling soon. I will be in Europe for the next month. October, my friend is getting married, so I will be in Italy as well, back in October. And after that, the wedding, I don't have anything specific, so I will be free again. I try my best on that. I try my best on Siddharth to keep them up. Yeah, I will be honest, I'm not always the best, but I do my best. Beautiful push right now here. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Can you give us a freaking candle that has a nice wick lower? 33 people, guys, to the 2000. 33 people. Yeah, that's the point, to be honest. Was this resistance here on the left side was the problematic, right? All this support became resistance, became resistance, rejected a little bit. So this area was a bit of a shitty area. So right now that we broke it, whatever we start to see as opportunity of long, we take it. And we have space until possible this area here that already rejected. And then to the highs. So we have definitely space right now. By the way, do you like my drawing to explain to you? But it will just fly away. That's usually what happens. I miss the trade, it goes away. No, it's gonna give me a candle. That's the point. That's the point I realized. And that's what a point I'm trying to improve, right? Is emotion regulation, emotional control, right? I'm saying here is pushing, is breaking. Your brain might start to think, if you don't take it now, you're gonna miss it. If you don't take it now, you're gonna miss it. If you don't take it now, you're gonna miss it. If you don't take it now, you're gonna miss it. Then you take it, it reverse, it stop you out, and then it gives you the nice, beautiful entry, but you're done on the trade or the day, and you're like, what the fuck did I do? Why I'm stupid? So yeah, let it go. He wants to go to the fly, to touch the sky. Let it go and touch the sky. And then the moment you give us a good entry, we go long. Yeah, it's insane, right? So that's the point that I always advise people here is just slow down for a moment and think at the emotions you're getting triggered at that situation. Think what is coming to you and analyze them. It sounds stupid as hell, you know, but really analyze the emotions you're getting in that moment of a situation of FOMO, situation of fear. Analyze them, understand why they're coming, and try to work on that direction. You know, of course, regulate emotions, and then try to understand how you avoid it next time, right? To get this FOMO. I don't eat bacon, but I will eat egg and cheese for sure. I wanna definitely. Oh, that will be one thing I will eat here. A beautiful bagel. Bagel in New York are amazing. Bagel in New York are insane good. Oh. Ah. No, I didn't miss anything there. I get your point on the breaks of the 15 minutes and taking the long, but I'm waiting for a candle that shows me a beautiful wick below. This candle could have probably been used as a long, but still we were below the 1 hour and 30 minutes. We were still red here. Because this candle could have been used, but we were still red on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. So right now, if it gives me a candle that has a good wick, then I will take a long. But I'm happy that you're surprised. That means I'm doing the right things. I'm literally trying to avoid as much shit I can. Yeah, I wanna see a candle that has a nice wick, and the wick has to be at least around 50% or more of the entire candle. That's what I'm looking for before entering. So if this candle here pushes nicely lower and then comes back, I would be happy to take it long. So right now, this candle, I'm enjoying this candle. Oh, that's beautiful candle. I will log this to see if this is a bit. Come on, break this low, even better. Break this low. This is 907. I wished it was gonna take this low. That's a difficult question, Siddharth. On a difficult fact, on a way that Apex trader funding evaluation are cheap. So sometimes people, what they like to do is just YOLO them, put full contract, take a long with a 50K account, take 10 points, and if it does not go in the right direction right away, they blow up the accounts. So you know it. My advice is that if you are trying to trade and learn as well the trading and everything, trade it as normal. Trading with the correct risk management, with the correct way of trading, and then you learn everything. And then you understand if that makes sense or not. You know, it's just don't accelerate, learn the platform, and it's better for you. Five contracts, wow. Probably this can be a good long right now. This candle here, 2 more minutes. Yeah, that's the best way is just trade. Even the biggest mistake people do, guys, is this. They want to recoup the loss and they look, oh my god, okay. Yeah, no, that candle was beautiful, but it broke, it went too much high right away. I needed at least 1 more minute before. It's okay. What people do mostly is they like to take 20 contracts, 20 accounts, they lose them, and they're like, oof, I have to recoup right away. Let me get to 20 accounts. They lose them again. I have to recoup again, 20 accounts. They lose them again. I have to recoup again, 20 accounts. They lose them again. And what happened here is that you have paid so many fees, so many PAs, so many evaluations, and then you ask them a question of, did you ever get a payout? Are you consistent on your trading? How is the longest life of your account? And they reply 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Never got a payout. And then that's the moment you ask them, how the fuck you're trading with 20 accounts then? If you're not even freaking able to get one account to pay out, or take one account to 20 days, to 50 days. How the heck are you trading with 20 accounts? Do you think that that's too much risk? That's too much risk. You're putting too much risk. You're putting too much pressure on yourself. People race. People think this is a race. People think that they can beat the market. You're not gonna ever beat the market. What I mean here, the market is unbiased on your shit, and the only things you have to do is try to follow the market in a way that is gonna give you some money. And until you don't know how to do that, freaking have your risk management on respected, guys. What the heck? Some people. Okay, we're coming back, and this candle is not good. Let's see what I would like to see a few candles getting. Oh, finally, a few candles getting liquidated there. That's what I'm looking for. I've been looking for. Okay. Let's see if this candle is gonna be interesting. It's still too early, 4 minutes. So oh, look at that. It's already pushing back. Oh my god. Oof. So yeah, or you get a 20 valuation, get 20 PA, YOLO them, YOLO 10 in one direction, YOLO 10 in one direction. You made one green day, you blow up the others. You have 10 accounts one day. You do 5-5, and you have 5-5 2 days, 2-3, and maybe you're lucky you got the free one. 3 days traded. 2-1. Maybe you're lucky again. 2-1. You have the 4 days. And now you have the 2. 1-1. Green day. You feel lucky that you got the 5 and the 3. You might get payout by doing this. I'm just joking, by the way. Don't do that. It's against the rules. Before people do that. Amsa did it. Amsa told me this in the live stream. I'm just joking. Don't do that. It's not gonna work. And anyway, you're paying 20 PAs activation fees. That's $2,000, even more, to get a $2,000 payout in one account. That's not risk reward there. Guys, I'm thinking about entering long. It might be a little bit anticipated, but I'm getting idea of this beautiful long here. Let me see again the... I'm gonna go long, guys. Did I get long with all my accounts? No. What am I? Yeah, I'm long with all my accounts. What the heck? I like that we grab the lows there. Let's see. I little bit anticipating the break of this 5 minutes candle in no matter how, but I like that we're pushing. I like that we came back low. I like this wick. I just recorded this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna freaking find you in London, man. Why so funny, Muffy? Honestly, Turkey back on exist, and it's good as hell as well. I don't know. My friends, my English friends, they say that it tastes the same as the normal bacon, so. It does not trust you, man. Can we go even a little bit higher than that? We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, he knows. Still at the hotel, bro. Still at the hotel. I'm in New York now, bro. I'm in New York. In Saturday, I'm flying back home. Sunday, I will be back. Monday, live stream. On Monday, we'll be back to in my room. Oh, yo. Hello, Pierre. Welcome back. Pierre, it's been a while. Pierre. Closing the candle. The 30 minutes candle closing now. 10 seconds. Okay, we're pushing right now there. Ready for the longs, Jose, on the break higher. Let me see how the stocks are doing there. Nvidia's on the highs. Tesla is holding. Microsoft is doing quite well. Let's see. Come on, Nvidia. Push the break high. If Nvidia pushes for the break of the highs, would be nice. So now it's trying to do it. Apple is trying to do something there, but for the moment, not that much. We're still holding. Still holding. Come on, market. Push. Nvidia is trying to break the highs. Nvidia is breaking the highs. Nvidia is pushing to the highs. Push son of Nvidia is breaking the highs right now. I might call myself a little bit out and try re-enter longs here, but then I will have to reduce my sides. I do like this long. It's just a matter of Will I get stopped out? I did not wait for this break higher. We'll see. It's trying again. I'm gonna cost myself out, guys, and I'm gonna look at re-enter low above here. I'm gonna avoid myself that trade. I should have waited for this candle to close. I was hoping for the break right away, but hope that's not working trading. So I'm gonna call myself out, accept this loss, little loss, and gonna grab the next one there. $80 loss is fine. If this candle closes like this, then it will be my entry. Push. Let's see. And if I enter with this loss here, 148, might even enter with more contracts soon. Now it's doing it. 20 seconds there. It's gonna fill me here. One more contract there. But I need this break higher. Right now he's not making them. Brian, welcome. Welcome. Up $20,000 in futures. Good job. Good job. Brian is the name of my boss. So I cannot insult you. Man is everywhere. I do my best. I do my best. Maybe, yeah, maybe he's here checking my shit, you know? And I'm like, okay. Well, I'm done. Answer, you look like a Borat, man. You're not the first one that tells me that. I'm okay with Borat. Borat is a funny guy. Up 386. I don't have for much. Give us some money then. The man Borat is. Yeah, man. It was cause Tomato say the same things, and other people say the same things. Like, guys, what the heck? Do you hate me? I mean, no, it's okay. It's a good joke. We're getting long. We're long with every contract there. Let's see, guys, how it goes. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Oh, my entry here came out to be okay, but it was not. It was better to just take the break of it for safety reasons. Okay, Brian, are you a bot? Do you want me to ban you? Let me see. Mike Aston. When someone says a name of someone like random like that, Mike Aston is my whatever. I block you out. I should have longed for. We'll see if my long will work out. Exit 550. Good job. Nvidia's flying. Nvidia's flying. Let me see. Nvidia's flying. Nvidia's going higher for sure there. Definitely is the one that is helping us with this push. By the way, that was my TP. How many contracts I had? 5? Yeah, 5. That was my TP with my previous trade. Ah, that would have been my TP already. It's always like that. Already $220. Oh my god. I would have at least removed 4 contracts and be like happy with it. I have a 4 contract here. To be honest, that one. Let me how much I can put it here. How much I was risking that? I was risking these lows. These lows. Hi, I just see that you scalp and lose and always think to suggest you hold for watching areas for interest. I stop loss is only 4 contracts. Yeah, no, I know, Mufti. It's because I have this added contract here. My thank you. Oh wow, that's not good anymore. Let me just change it. Thank you. Thank you. Man, if you're scalping, I just see you scalping and lose. Oh, that's very sad. That's what I mean. At least. Also, I was watching Area of Interest. Mali, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. Hello, Suraj. Hello, guys. Yeah, guys, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Can we get a little push? Can we get a little push there? Can we get a little push? Do it, do it, do it. Put my money there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. $150? $120. I'm just looking at how much heck I'm making here. 160. That's not, I need a little bit more. Heck, I'm risking 200. I'm risking 200. I have to make that things back. It's heading to 22. I think you will have more success holding longer during the day. My opinion, trying to help to see any. I try to do my best. Huh? I try to hold when I had to hold. See you tomorrow, Mufti. Thank you so much for coming here like every day, man. Thank you so much. You did amazing today. It's heading to 22,000. 22,000 are just. You're right. Is there above? This might take a little bit of a while to take this trade to a win, guys. Nvidia is pushing, guys, to the. Nvidia is pushing so well. Microsoft as well is helping. Tesla not that much, and neither Apple, but and Amazon. But let's see. This is gonna take a little bit while. In the meantime, I have to find my buttons of the keyboard. Yes. The backspace. I put it yesterday in my backpack and it lost a few. The freaking security at the airport took 3 times my backpack around and they were like, oh, we have to check it again. We have to check it again. My God, what the heck? But every time they say, bring out your, your laptops and stuff like that, I bring out my laptop and my monitor. But then, of course, I have the drone, the microphone, the charger, the speaker, many other things that I use for recording and everything. And if I take out everything, it's gonna take me 2 hours. So I take out only the 2 main things I always say. So that's a bit of a pain. Come on, market, give me a nice last push here. Would be nice. First 2 times taking the flights, thinking it was. Can we get a little bit of a more of a push here, guys? Chris, you send me in WhatsApp. Remember, guys, 80% is there with Apex. If you're thinking to use Apex Trader Funding as your, evaluations accounts and pro firms, remember to use my code. It's Hamza. It's my name, and it does support my channel and my YouTube and Discord. You are welcome to come to Discord, guys. It's free. Come there. Only good people, only good sharing. If you're there to just show your green days and don't show anything else, you will be kicked out. So just remember that. You'll be kicked out. We are getting quite more people in that Discord. I'm very happy for it. We have I think verified people around 260 people. We are verified there, around 260 people. So everybody's welcome. It's a good family. We try to help each others. Don't get it. Don't get it. What I say every time, guys, is this: if you use Apex, then you can use my code and appreciate it. If you don't use Apex and you don't want to use even my code, and you're here and you're growing here with me and with us, that's amazing. That's what I want. That's what I want. There are people online that tell you if you don't use my code, if you use my code, you will have free access. You will have access to my Discord, or if you don't use my code, you're not gonna watch my live stream. There are people that do that. No. If you're here to grow, you're welcome to grow, and you can trade your money, your profit money, your children, your family. Trade whatever you want to trade. Just make money. I'm just joking. Don't trade your children. I will get it, bro. But my I'm on Apex. Will they deny payout if I don't use ATM? You means ATM? You means a bracket strategy? That's what you mean? ATM, right? If you mean ATM as a bracket strategy, no. Apex does not require you to have a bracket strategy or a stop loss. but the stop loss has to be a mental stop loss in a way that and the stop loss, the risk you're not putting on your trade cannot be more than 5 to make 1. For example, you cannot. The limit is accepted on an average. Of course, they're not going to check one singular trade. They're going to check the average risk on your account and be like, guys, this guy is risking all the time $700 to make $100. Boom. But now denied. This guy is risking less than $500 to make $100 overall. Is risking $450. Is risking $300 to make $100. Payout accepted. Oh, this guy has a positive risk reward. This guy is risking $100 to make $200. Positive. Payout accepted. I mean, at least for this risk factor situation. So yeah, remember, it's about how much you risk and how much you make in an average situation. So that's all. So right now we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. The 50s are there. We're fighting for it. We're fighting for that. Can we get the take profit? I messed up on this entry. Always messing up on my entries, guys. I'm still messing up on my first entry on the day. Enter long, then stopped out, and then I re-entered long. Now I'm okay, but I need a little bit. Now right now is rejecting the 50s there. Well, they've been already my TP here. Oh, what a nice situation. What a nice situation. Well, they've been already my TP. So right now I have to handle all this up and down. Add more. The Basket Trader. Very good point. If it creates me a nice candle with a wick and it closes and it shows me pushing factor, I will probably even add long and move my stop loss below that candle. Let's say, for example, it creates right now a candle here, this candle here. I will probably enter long with a few more contracts and move my stop loss here from this one to here and look for a little bit more. Do you trade Bitcoin? No, unfortunately, no. I don't trade Bitcoin, but now you told me I want to check how much is Bitcoin. 107K, okay. Ethereum 2.7K. Yeah, I mean, how is Ethereum doing? Because Ethereum didn't do. Oh my God, are we pulling back that much? Come on, market, don't be that nasty with me. Now we're pulling back in Nvidia as well, but hopefully we get a nice bouncing situation there. Still early. We have our stop loss is very far. How much I'm risking there with 4 contracts? $228, $220, no slippage. That's not even bad. So I'm still far from my actual getting stopped out. So Ethereum. Oh wow, Ethereum. Oh, okay, we're still far from even the 4K, from the 5K. The growth is there, the volume is there in Ethereum, but not that much. Ethereum on the 2.7K situation right now. If this candle come back and it pushes very strong, I might add to this position. I move my stop loss below this candle. I like the long situation. I think it has a little bit more of room to go higher long. Guys, if you're new here and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, leave a like to the video. It's small things, but it helps a lot. It helps a lot. These things, unfortunately, calculates likes, calculates comments, interactions, interaction in the chat. So when you write and comment in the chat, ask me questions, that helps a lot as well even if you write a stupid things, like it's holding, it does help. Did I already drink this? rate rotation from 7-Eleven. Yes, Robin, I was there. What was it? A week ago? Amazing live. I really enjoyed the live with Aaron. Aaron is a freaking good trader. Good trader, good person. I've been texting that guy for almost like it's my girlfriend. Like 3 years ago, I think it was the first time texting him. 2022 was 3 years ago. Really, so such a long time that I know Aaron. That guy had like 800 subscribers, and he was doing his first video of traveling and trading at the time, and it was an inspiration as well for me. And it's an inspiration much more now because that guy has now 27,000 subscribers. And I'm still at 2,000 because I did not put consistency. You know, that's the sometimes people you see people. That's what I want to say here is that all of us guys, we can achieve anything that another man made. Right? This is something I learned in last period. Like for example, look at me and Aaron. We were at the same amount of subscribers, but one is at 27K and me at almost 2K. The difference there. The difference it's me. The difference it's me that I didn't put the work, that I was not consistent, that I did not believe I could have made it. That's the difference. Not luck. Not the fact that Aaron was lucky, he was in Australia. No, it's me. I didn't put the work. So we learn, we push. Now I'm consistent because I know I'm gonna make it. It's gonna happen. Do you have his Discord? I have Discord. Link is below in this chat, in this YouTube description. You're welcome. Verify yourself in the verify things. It takes like a few seconds. My friend did it just to be sure that we don't get bots inside. It's still free for the moment. It won't be free. I don't know when, because every time I see it, I'm gonna close it and it never happens. But it's not gonna be free forever, for sure. But it's gonna be free for the people that have been already in. I will never charge people that are already in and tell them now you have to pay to stay in. No, people that are in will be for free forever. And that's all, yeah. Bro, in India, even if you have 500 cash subscribers, nobody gives a shit about anyone. I'm not boasting, but even with 100 subscribers, you will feel like a beggar. That's true. I mean, no, yeah. I mean, it's more about yeah, it's more about the work of getting this amount of subscribers. I mean, I guess in India, it's easier to have a lot of subscribers as well. India is a big social country. You have a lot of influencers and people doing stupid shit like in USA to get subscribers, and people push and then die, or push and then die. It's a roller coaster. India's like Morocco as well. They do the same. But it's more about the work you put in to get this amount. If you go to trading influence in India, then everyone is admin. Yeah. No, I see that. And I think in India is probably one of the. No, I don't know. I don't want to say easiest because nothing is easy, but where you can get viral in a way. But even having 1,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers from India is not the same as having 10,000 subscribers from USA. It's a bit of a difference there. We're getting the pullback, guys, here. Are we gonna come back or not? Grabbed again another low there. It's trying to hold. Are we gonna hold, or is gonna come back and stop us? Oh, okay. Do you have? Is that question? Do you know Ibn Battuta? If that question is for Siddharth, I guess. Because I don't know who is that Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta. I don't know who is the Ibn Battuta. I don't know who is Ibn Battuta. I don't know. Amsa, I don't know. Ah, it's me then. Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta was a prominent Muslim traveler and a scholar from Morocco who is renowned for his extensive journeys across the Islamic world and beyond. He is famous for his travelogue, The Travels of Ibn Battuta, Rihla, which details his experience and observation during his travels. Travels spanned nearly 30 years, covering an estimated of 75,000 miles, 120,000 kilometers, visiting over 40 modern-day nations. Wow, you know this guy? Early life and education. Oh, that's we're getting some push there, guys. Motivation for travel. He embarked on his travel part driven by a desire to fulfill the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca and party by using wow, beautiful, extensive journeys. I love these guys. I have to read more about this. I open the Wikipedia page. I'm gonna read it later. Wow. So he started from Morocco. He went all the North Africa. He went, of course, for Saudi Arabia, Hajj, around there, Turkey, Syria, Palestine, and then went down to wow. He went down to Zanzibar. He's famous in India. How is famous in India? Wow. How is what? Because of I can see. Ah, wait. I have to download all his traveling map. Did he reach India? Cannot see it in this map. What is this map in Wikipedia? What the heck? Did he reach India? That can be the reason. Oh, TP guys! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me remove. Oh, well, I have one contract more. I forgot it. I have one more contract. Okay. How much? I don't even know how much I'm up today. What? Should be more up than this. Okay. Flattenate that one. I should have been much more up than this. What the heck? What happened there? Did I cross the position all of the contracts? Ah, for what? Honestly, I was hoping to be more up today. It's a good trade. I took at least my 2-1 to record 1-to-1 risk reward here. A bit fucked up here, guys, but overall, let's go, guys. Oh my god. Oh, guys, beautiful trade there. It took a little bit. Amazing that I waited. Amazing I didn't take this break. Amazing I waited for this situation. Unfortunately, I lost $70 for bullshit here. I have to learn of like come on, Amsa, be a little bit of patience here. Taking this trade and then I wanted to add, but no candle really came out to be that nice. Overall, we did great. Yeah, it's like I made a 7,000 trade. Oh, it's true because I was down $70. You're right on that. So I made $250 on that. That's not bad at all then. So guys, look at this. Account back at 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 150, 151, 150, 150 here, 300. We are back. We're coming back. We're coming back. We're coming back. Finally, it's coming back to. Finally, it's coming back. 50,000. Almost. If next trade is green, this can be go back to finally. I'm risking I risk maximum $200, around $200. Can be a little bit more, can be a bit less on a 50K account, and $150, and double, so $400 more or less on a 300K and a 150K account. 5 consecutive green days, by the way. Today is my 5 consecutive green days. Every trade shown in live stream here, hiding shit, hiding nothing, being here, live every day. Tomorrow, guys, my live session will be 1 hour early. Just to remind you, tomorrow I will live stream 1 hour earlier. So and yeah, that was a beautiful day, guys. Thank you for being here as always. Thank you for being here, chatting with me, and I hope, guys, this live is okay for you. It's good for you. You know, that's what I try to be here. Is be consistent, be relaxed, take my trade, follow my rules. That's what I try to do. I don't tell you to take my trades. I don't tell you to copy my trades. Do your trades. Do follow your rules. Move your stop loss whenever you want to move your stop loss. But follow your rules. That's it. That's what I try to preach. Do follow your rules, execute and follow, and have a good risk management, and the rest is gonna pay off. The rest is gonna pay off. Today I messed up again with this little loss here, $70. But it's the probably third consecutive days where I messed up on the first little trade. I cut it out and then boom, it goes again. But the second trade is always the good second trade. I did correct here. Guys, have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful time. Don't overtrade. Follow your rules. I love you all. See you tomorrow, guys. A bit earlier tomorrow.